My Cancer Genome is a publicly available tool created for clinicians by clinicians for genome-directed cancer treatment decision-making. My Cancer Genome has been integrated into Vanderbilt's electronic health record. Here I am logged into Vanderbilt's electronic health record and am viewing a panel of test patients who have had tumor gene mutation testing for melanoma. Each patient is on a respective row, and each column corresponds to a gene that is tested in our panel. Yellow boxes indicate that a mutation has been detected in that gene, whereas a gray box indicates that no mutation has been detected in that gene. By clicking on the yellow box, I see the specific gene mutation results. In this case, the patient has a BRAF V600E mutation detected. Since specific mutations have different clinical significance, I click on the particular gene to learn more about its therapeutic implications. And I'm taken directly to My Cancer Genome page for BRAF V600E mutant melanoma. Here I see information on the frequency of that mutation in melanoma and learn more about drugs that may confer sensitivity or resistance to BRAF mutant melanomas. Where available, details of the clinical trial literature corresponding to this evidence are reviewed. Here there are 2 trials describing the sensitivity of various drugs in BRAF V600E mutant melanoma. I can click on the specific reference and am taken to the respective PubMed abstract for that evidence. In addition to reviewing the evidence, My Cancer Genome also provides links to gene-associated clinical trials. I click on the Clinical Trials tab, and I see clinical trials available at Vanderbilt, since I reached this page from a link inside Vanderbilt's electronic health record. If I had linked from another institution electronic health record, I would have seen that institution's respective clinical trials for BRAF mutant melanoma. If there is no trial available at Vanderbilt, I see trials available worldwide and can filter by a particular state, let's say by California, and can click on the specific trial link to get more details at clinicaltrials.gov. In addition to being integrated at Vanderbilt's electronic health record, My Cancer Genome is also publicly available at www.mycancergenome.org. I can see the exact same information from the homepage search of My Cancer Genome by searching on a particular disease, say melanoma, a particular gene, BRAF, and a specific mutation, BRAF V600E. And I get the exact same information as I had seen from the Vanderbilt electronic health record. We have recently added a new clinical trial search that allows users to search for over 135 different cancer diagnoses and 443 cancer genes. This uses the NCI-PDQ database and the Cosmic Cancer Gene Mutation database. For example, I can search for breast cancer and BRCA1 gene, and I get a filtered result of cancer trials for BRCA mutations. I can filter this result by geographic location. I can eliminate international trials, for instance, and only look at trials available in the United States, and can further filter US trials by a particular state or states. In addition, if I want to restrict my filters, I can also filter by the phase of the trial. Let's say I want later phase trials 2 or 3. Since its launch in January 2011, My Cancer Genome has had over 30,000 site visits from 90 different countries and currently averages over 1,350 site visits per week. We believe My Cancer Genome is already impacting public health by educating clinicians in the community about the emerging practice of genome-directed cancer care. Our business model is to maintain My Cancer Genome as a public knowledge resource and to enhance our web services to integrate My Cancer Genome as a decision support tool into other electronic health record and laboratory information systems. With this, we hope to make genetically informed cancer medicine the next standard of care.